Okay, so today we're going to show you our day 3 of Influencer Haul. This is going to be 3 days in a row. Now, if we do get some days we don't have packages, or if it's only one package, maybe we'll save it and combine a couple days. So we won't do this every single day, but if you like videos like this, make sure you just comment, leave a like, and sub to see more, right?
Sub to see more?
Sub to see more.
Oh, I thought you were talking about my, what's it called? Thing outside.
Your plant?
My plant.
Okay, so who's going to get more packages today? Mommy, Savannah, or Steve? She already has one that she opened off camera.
Because I wasn't sure what it was from. I was like, he said something was ordered from QVC, and I was like, that is not me.
Okay, so what do we have? Is that a bag?
What's it to you?
Because we have like a million bags. Oh, did somebody send that to you?
No.
So you bought that?
I bought this.
What is it?
What did you just say? Is that a what?
A bag.
Good job.
What do we need a bag for? We have a bag for every hour of the day.
Because do you remember the one that I saw and I was like, you know what? I really, really, really like it.
Mm-hmm.
And I'm going to be traveling soon.
Right.
And so I wanted something that I could travel with. But I can't say where I'm going. But I don't know if
It's a
I'm going to love
beautiful
it.
bag, honey.
I don't know if I love it. I just wanted to get something that I could travel. I just don't think it's going to be big enough like I thought.
I'll just consider it a get out of jail free card.
What'd you get?
I don't know.
No, I was looking.
My gas didn't come.
Huh?
My gas.
No, I really was looking for like a bag, but it's not going to be big enough. So
Okay.
I will return it. But there's something else.
Oh, hold up. Oh my God.
Headbands.
New Orleans Saints headband. Black and gold. It's getting old.
You're so funny.
Got jokes.
His jokes are so lame. What was in that one?
Nothing.
Looks like a headphone.
No,
or
this
something.
is actually an influencer package. It's a computer headset.
So strange that you were needing one of those.
It's a wireless headset. This is one of my upcoming reviews. It'll be on Amazon, and it will be on our review channel called Reviews and How-Tos. So, 2 for her, 1 for me. And this is to Savannah. She looks so cute, honey. What is it?
The pre-order.
Pre-order for what? It's a book?
It was
This?
just released today.
What is it exactly?
The new Car Series book.
It's the Cars on the Road, the brand new series. We got the book for little Colty Wolty.
Yep, for our travels ahead.
All right, so we got the Cars book. This is for Colty. He's going to love it. He's going to take it on his upcoming travels.
This is mine too.
All right, what do we have here? It's not mine.
I just told you it was mine.
Nap fun. What's that? I love you, buddy. So why is this all in my name?
That's not in your name.
So it's 5 for you
Okay. Look.
and 1 for me today. I think I still have one coming though. Oh, this is made by Tupac.
Look. Steven.
See? Right there. Tupac. Right? What is that? Like you gonna have time to even put that on with Colton around.
I might.
I want you to be comfortable, honey. Are these for the plane too?
Yeah. Actually, no.
I mean, are these for the trip as well?
So, with these, I went into my children's room,
And they had tomato plants growing on their pillows.
and I was grossed out, so I said, you know what? I decided that my children needed new pillows. So...
They get our old pillows, which is new to them, and we get the new ones. Oh, let's Let's watch it inflate.
But it's those magic ones. And I love magic
Magic.
ones. Like
It smells like turpentine.
what the heck is turpentine?
It's like what you use to stain wood, and it's like a chemical.
Don't smell like anything.
I know.
Woohoo! That was a fun package day.
I know. I was supposed to have my fuel come in for my race car. The RC one.
Hi! Nothing came in for you today. Sorry.
Yeah, you don't deserve it.
John! Yeah. Tell
Who
me.
asked you?
Where do you want to go? Do you need to go?
Can you go outside? Oh my goodness.
Tell him. Say I need to go outside. Tell him. Tell him.
Come here.
Oh.
You want to go? You want to go?
Yeah. Do you need to go outside?
Lord, Rika's down.
Okay.
So anyway, not a very exciting package day.
No.
I actually got myself quite behind in my reviews, and so recently I've been refusing a lot of products. So we're only getting a few a day. We were getting literally stacks at the front door that would block you from getting in the house. It was a fire hazard. But those days are coming back soon.
Oh.
I'm just going to get caught up and get a little short break, and then we'll release the floodgates once again.
Tell the boys. Tell the boys.
So like we said, if you'd like to see us open these packages and see what we get, just leave us a thumbs up, drop a comment, say, hey, this is kind of cool to see what you guys have coming in. And, you know, if you hate it, just keep that to yourself. Anyway, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.
Thank you.